Yes, whenever we are subtracting two numbers, we always start subtracting the number in ones place first, right? So now in ones place, numbers are 6 and 5. Numbers are 6 and 5. So what we'll do, we will draw lines according to the first number and we will cut lines according to the second number. Okay. So your first number is 6 in ones place. So we will draw here 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We'll draw here 6 lines. Okay. Now see here. In front of minus sign number is 5. In front of minus sign number is 5. So what we'll do? We will cut how many lines? We will cut here 5 lines. So we will count here 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll cut here 5 lines, right? So how many lines are left now? Only one line is left now. So we'll write here 1 in ones place. And since there is only one number in tens place, that is 2, we will write this 2 as it is. So answer is 2121. 2121. So in this third and we will write here the answer 26 minus 5 is equal to 21. This is the answer, right? Yes, Anshul Raj.
Ma'am, which page?
Page number 5. And children, again I'm repeating, you have to solve these questions in your math notebook, right? So this is 26 minus 5 is equal to 21. Now we'll write our next question. Next is 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7, right? Next question is 18 minus 7. So now again what we'll do, we will draw number of lines according to the first number in ones place. So here in ones place our first number is 8. So we'll draw here 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Pradiksha? Pradiksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the number in front of minus sign? How many lines we will cut?
7.
Very good. See here children, in front of minus sign number is 7, right? So we will count and cut 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Pradiksha, how many lines are left now? Pradiksha, how many? 1. Only one line is left. So we will write 1 in ones place. And Pradiksha, what we will write in tens place?
1.
Yeah. Very good, Pradiksha. There is no other number in tens place. There is only 1. So we will write that 1 as it is. So answer is 1, 1, 11. So we will write 11 here. Okay. Suryansh. Suryansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Suryansh, you tell me what is the next question? Read next question. Fifth one.
33 minus 1.
33 minus 1. Okay, that's correct. This is 33 minus 1. Okay, children. So for this, we will not draw any line or anything like that. I'll tell you one trick. Whenever you want to subtract 1 from any number, whenever you want to subtract 1 from any number, just write the number which comes just before that number. What I said, whenever you want to subtract or whenever you want to deduct only one number, only one from any number, what you can do, you will just write the number which comes just before the given number. So Suryansh, you tell me what comes just before 33?
2.
Huh? Just before 33.
34.
Wrong. Before I said, not after.
2.
Wrong. Before 33. What comes just before 33?
32.
32. Yeah, that's the correct answer. So answer is 3232. Now it's correct. Yes, Hanvit? Hanvit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We should write these questions in math school notebook.
Yes, you have to solve these questions in your school notebook and then you have to write the answer in your course book. Okay, this was done. Now next one. Tanvisri, read next question. Yes, read fast. This is?
39 minus
No. Sixth question.
49 minus 8.
This is 49 minus 8. Very good. Okay, Tanvisri, tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
1 place 9 and 8.
9 and 8. Very good. So numbers are 9 and 8. So how many lines we will draw?
9.
We will draw 9 lines. And how many lines we will cut?
8.
Very good. So children, see here, in front of minus sign number is 8. So we will cut 8 lines. Okay. We will draw here 9 lines and we will cut 8 lines. So we'll start drawing 9 lines now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have drawn here 9 lines and we'll count and cut 8 lines because in front of minus sign number is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? So 9, how many lines are left now? Janvi, how many lines are left now?
1.
1. So here we will write 1 in ones place and in tens place what we'll write?
4.
What is the answer?
41.
Yes, so answer is 4, 1, 41. We'll write that answer inside that and. Okay, that's correct. Very good, Janvi. Now, next. Ayan Kuluru, you read next question.
29 minus 5.
No. Not this one. Before that, what is the question?
Before that, 18 minus 7.
Wrong. Seventh bit. What is that seventh bit?
14 minus 3, ma'am. 9 minus 3.
This is 9 minus 3. Question is 9 minus 3. Yeah. So for this, we don't need to write any ones or tens form. It's a one digit subtraction, right? So we can do it simply. What you all can do is you have to take out 9 fingers and out of those 9 fingers you will remove your 3 fingers. You will remove your 3 fingers, right? I'll tell you how.
6, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, very good. That's correct. But see, how can you do this? This is 9 minus 3, right? So if it is a one digit number, how you can subtract? See here, we will take out our 9 fingers, right? We'll take out 9 fingers. And out of these 9 fingers, how many fingers we will remove? We will remove 3 fingers because after minus sign number is 3. So we'll remove 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So how many are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 fingers are left now. Yes, I am. What is the answer? 9 minus 3 is?
6.
Yeah. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we'll write here 6. Okay, that's correct. And children, whenever it is one digit subtraction, you can do it by using your fingers, right? Now next one. Ashrita, read next question quickly. Ashrita.
29
Yes, 29
plus
plus.
minus
29 minus.
5.
Yeah, now it's correct. This is 29 minus 5. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, Ashrita, tell me how many lines we will draw?
9.
Yes, in ones place, number is 9. So we'll draw here 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many lines we will cut, Ashrita?
2.
2. Ashrita, what is the number after minus sign? After minus sign, what is the number?
24.
Ashrita, after minus sign, what is the number?
5.
Yeah, so how many lines we will cut?
5 lines.
Yeah, we will count and cut 5 lines now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how many lines are left now, Ashrita?
3.
No. Wait.
4, ma'am.
Now tell. Ashrita, how many lines are left now?
4, ma'am.
Yeah, so we'll write here 4 in 1 place. And what we'll write in tens place, Ashrita?
2, ma'am.
Yeah, so what is the answer?
24.
Answer is 2, 4, 24. Okay, so we'll write here 2, 4, 24. Okay, that's correct. Fine. Now next one. Yes, children, and there is one more way, right? Instead of drawing these lines, we can do subtraction in by using another method also. That is by using our fingers. So we'll do that one. Hanvit, you read next question. Hanvit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read 11th question.
11th question. Okay, ma'am. 28 minus 2.
This is 28 minus 2.
28 minus 2.
Okay, fine. Hanvit, what are the numbers in ones place? Yes, Hanvit, what are the numbers in ones place?
Minus 2.
What?
8 minus 2, ma'am.
8 and 2. 8 and 2 are the number in. These are the two numbers in ones place. So now what we'll do? Now listen here, children. Listen very carefully. What we'll do? Whenever we are subtracting two numbers, we always start subtracting the number in ones place first, right? So what we have to do is our first number is 8, right? Our first number is 8. Now what we'll do, from this 8, we will remove 2. We will not draw any lines now. You know how to draw lines and how to cut it. Fine, that is okay. But
Am I no answer?
okay, Hanvit, if you know the answer, very good. Right? But if you want to do it with your fingers, you can do it very fast, right? So your first number is 8, right? So how many fingers you will take out? Hanvit, you show me your 8 fingers.
26.
Hanvit, this is not the right way. I said take out your 8
I
fingers.
did it.
Yeah. Now from these 8 fingers, how many fingers you will remove, Hanvit? Now remove 2 fingers.
1, 2. I remove, ma'am.
How many are left now?
6, ma'am.
Yeah, so we'll write 6 in ones place. And what we'll write in tens place?
2.
Yeah, so what is the answer now? Hanvit, answer.
26.
Yeah, answer is 2, 6, 26. So we'll write here 2, 6, 26. Right, so we can do subtraction by using our fingers also. What we have to do, we just have to take out fingers according to the first number, and then we have to remove fingers according to the second number. Right? Now, Ananya, unmute yourself. Ananya. Yeah, Ananya, read next question, 12th bit. And children, you have to solve these questions in your math notebook. Yes, Ananya, 12th one. Read the question. Ananya, I'm waiting. Third last question. Tell me fast.
Mommy.
What, ma'am? Which one, ma'am?
Ma'am, 12th
Excuse
one.
me?
12th one, ma'am.
12th one. 1 minute, ma'am,
Yes.
please.
Yeah.
12th one. Ekkadundo chudu. 12th one. What is the number? 19?
94.
19.
No. Before that, third last question.
Third last. 9 minus 3, ma'am.
No, ma'am. 3, 9, 39.
39 minus 7, ma'am.
Yeah. Ananya? Yeah, ma'am, this one.
See. This one, read. 39.
39
Minus.
minus 7 is equal to
Okay, fine. Ananya, don't tell the answer right now. Wait. Okay, so this is 39 minus 7. Right. So now, Ananya, what are the numbers in ones place?
9,
9 and
7.
7. Very good. So now we will not draw any lines. You just tell me what is our first number now, 9 or 7? First number in ones place.
One's place. Teacher is asking.
9. Okay. So what we'll do, we will take out our 9 fingers. So show your 9 fingers.
9 fingers. Show me. 9 fingers.
Show your 9 fingers.
Come on, fast. 9.
Now, from these 9 fingers, Ananya, after minus sign, what is the number? After minus sign, what is the number? 7. So how many fingers you will remove?
7.
Now remove your 7 fingers quickly.
Come on, fast.
Yeah. How many are left now?
2.
2. Very good. So what we'll do, we'll write 2 here in ones place. Very good. Now what is the number in tens place?
3.
3. So what we'll write in tens place now?
3.
3. So answer is?
Answer.
33.
No.
No. Come on, read.
Read it properly, Ananya.
Read properly.
3 to 32.
Very good. So answer is 3 to 32. Now it's correct, Ananya. Yes, children. So in the similar way, you can do subtraction by using your fingers, right? Now next one. Sai Ritvik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now read second last question. And children, you have to solve these in your math notebook also. Yes, second last question.
Minus 4.
19 minus.
4.
Okay, that's correct. Okay, Sai Ritvik, now tell me what will be their number in. Okay, wait. Let me write and then you tell.
You write. You also write. Then
And children, keep on writing this in your math notebook. So this is 19 minus 4. Okay. Sai Ritvik, now what are the two numbers in ones place?
9.
9 and
4.
4. Very good. So this is 9 and 4. So how many fingers we'll take out?
9 fingers.
9 fingers.
9 fingers. Very good. And out of those 9 fingers, how many fingers we will remove?
9.
How many fingers we will remove?
4.
4. Very good. So now remove 4 fingers and tell me how many fingers are left now?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now how many is it? That was finished. Count here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Yeah. See children, how can we do this? We have to take out 9 fingers. Our first number is 9, no? So we'll take out 9 fingers, and out of these 9 fingers, then we will remove 4 fingers. How we will remove? Look here, I am showing you. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way, we'll remove our 4 fingers. So how many fingers are left now? 5 fingers are left now. This means 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Very good, Sai Ritvik. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So what we'll write in tens place now?
This what is it?
1.
1. What is the answer?
1, 5, 15.
So answer is 1, 5, 15. That's the correct answer. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Swarnika, Swarnika, last question. Read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Swarnika, please read last question.
44 minus 4.
44 minus 4. Children, keep on writing this in your math notebook. Okay, so this is 44 minus 4. Yeah, this is correct. Now, Swarnika, tell me what are the numbers in ones place? Swarnika, please, camera on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, tell me
Yes,
what are
ma'am.
what are the numbers in ones place?
Ones place
Yeah.
44, ma'am.
No. In ones place, what are the two numbers? This 4 and
4 and 4.
very good. 4 and 4. So whenever we are subtracting the numbers, we always take out fingers according to the first number. So here first number is 4. So show me your 4 fingers. Yeah. Now remove 4 fingers. From these 4 fingers, remove 4 fingers. How many are left now?
0, ma'am.
So we'll write 0 in ones place. And what we'll write in tens place?
4, ma'am.
4. Very good. So what is the answer?
40.
Answer is 4040. Very good. That's the correct answer. Very good, Swarnika. Okay. So this is how you can subtract a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. Right? Yes, children, now open page number 6. Open page number 6 of your math course book. Write date in classwork on page number 6. Page number 6, write date Yes, children, open page number 6 of your math course book. Write date and classwork on page number 6. Yes, children, page number 6, write date and classwork. Yes, Rohit? Rohit, you need to
Page
unmute this.
number?
Page number?
Page number what?
Page number 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children, open page number 6 and question number 6, write date and classwork. Okay, so this is now how you will subtract a okay, first you will subtract a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. This we did just now. And then you will subtract a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. And yesterday I have explained you what is a 2-digit number and what is a 1-digit number, right? Okay, so our first question is 48 minus 7. 48 minus 7, right? Okay, Siddharth, now tell me in ones place what is the first number?
9, ma'am.
Oh, read the question. This is 48 minus 7. So what is the number in ones place? First number in ones place. Siddharth,
Ma'am,
yeah. Tell me what are the two numbers in ones place?
7 and 8 and 7.
Yeah, 8 and 7. Very good. Now what is the first number? 8 or 7?
8.
8. So how many fingers we'll take out?
8 fingers.
Yeah, now take out your 8 fingers quickly and remove 7 fingers.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, ma'am. Answer
Yeah.
is
Answer is 1. Very good. And now in tens place, what we will write? Siddharth, in tens place, what is the number?
tens place 4.
4. So we'll write 4 as it is. So answer is, Siddharth, what is the answer?
41.
Answer is 4141. Okay, now it's correct. Yes, Rohit Chaudhary, unmute yourself and tell me next question. Rohit Chaudhary. Rohit, read next question. Second bit. Quickly.
3, 9,
Yeah, 39,
39,
39.
minus 6.
Very good. So now tell me what are the numbers in ones place? Tell me what are the two numbers in ones place, Rohit?
1 plus 9.
9 and
6.
6. Very good. So how many fingers we'll take out?
9.
9. Show me your 9 fingers quickly. Rohit, I am unable to see your fingers. Yeah. Now from these 9 fingers, how many fingers you will remove? Again, I cannot see. Yeah. Now how many fingers you will remove, Rohit?
6.
Very good. Now remove 6 fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
How many are left?
3.
So we'll write 3 in ones place. Okay. Now what is the number in tens place?
3.
So there is only one number in tens place. So we will write that 3 as it is. So what is the answer, Rohit?
33.
Very good. So answer is 3333. That's the correct answer. Mana, you read next question.
5, 1.
No, read complete question, Mana. Come on. 2, 5, 25.
Plus 2.
Oh, wrong.
Minus 21.
Wrong. Mana, sit properly. Sit properly first. Yeah. Now read this question properly. This is 2, 5, 25 minus.
Minus 1, 2.
Wrong. No. You are not at all paying attention, Mana. This is 2, 5, 25 minus 1, 1, 11. 25 minus 11. How you will read this, Mana?
25 minus 11.
Yeah, I will ask you next question also. Now tell me what are the number in ones place, Mana?
5,
5 and?
1.
Yeah. So how many fingers we will take out?
1.
No. How many fingers we will take out? First, how many fingers you will take out?
5.
Show me your 5 fingers quickly. Now, how many fingers you will remove?
1.
Remove. How many are left?
4.
Yeah, so we will write here 4 in ones place. Now, Mana, what are the number in tens place?
2.
2. So show me your 2 fingers. From these 2 fingers, how many you will take away?
1.
Yeah. What is the answer?
1.
Now, answer is 1, 4, 14. What is the answer, Mana?
1, 4, 14.
Yeah. Okay, Mana, now read next question.
37 plus
Not
minus
plus. Yeah, 37 minus.
25.
Very good. Now this is correct. This is 37 minus 25. Okay, Ketan, you tell me. Ketan,
Yes, ma'am.
now tell me what are the number in ones place, Ketan? 37 minus 25.
5.
No, 2 numbers. First number is?
7.
Yeah. So show me your 7 fingers. Ketan, keep your camera properly. I cannot see your 7 fingers. I cannot see.
7.
Okay, you just tell me the answer. 7 minus. Okay, from these 7 fingers, take away 5 fingers.
Take 5. 5.
If from 7 fingers you are removing 5 fingers, how many are left now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, ma'am.
Yeah, so 7 minus 5 is 2. And in tens place, numbers are 3 and 2. Show me 3 fingers. Yeah, now from these 3 fingers, how many you will remove? In front of, after minus sign, what is the number? Ketan? No, after minus sign, what is the number?
7.
No, after minus sign, Ketan, in tens place, what is the number?
2, ma'am.
Yeah, so remove 2 fingers now. How many are left?
1.
Yeah, so we'll write here 1. So answer is 1 to 12. Now it's correct. Answer is 1 to 12. Okay. Ronald, you read next question. Ronald, read next
Yes,
question.
ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is talking.
Ronald, problem is from your side then. Please check your network. Arohi, you read next question. 2, 6, 26. Fifth one. Yes, Arohi, read.
6.
Yes?
26 minus
Yeah.
14.
14. 26 minus 14. Where